So did you get the information from that link up there?
Let me check it out. I already had it open from the homework, but I think if you open it up and say that you want to use it in Excel or the SPSS or SSPS, whatever it is, that it will open it for you.
Did it let you open that up in Excel, or do you only have to use SPSS for that?
I opened mine up in Excel.
Do you have a Mac or do you have a regular like HP?
I have a Mac.
I have an HP.
Yeah, it's not working on my Mac.
No, it only sends it to SPSS for me on Mac. And I have no idea how to use SPSS for anything.
I don't either.
Oh my gosh, this is a headache. Oh, maybe I got it.
Oh, there we go. What I've had to do so far is just copy and paste everything into Excel from the Mac.
That's what you're doing from the textbook?
Yeah, I just took it from SPSS and copied each row and then pasted it into an Excel spreadsheet, and it worked. So it gave me the numbers. So
Lawrence is calling
there we go. All right. Dun. Did you get it all figured out?
I think this might kill my computer. Wow. I don't know what to do.
It's not mine. All I did was just copy each row from SPSS and threw it in Excel.
I don't even know how to open it in SPSS.
Mine went automatically there. Like,
You bought it, I think.
yeah, because I bought it.
How much was that?
$50, I think.
Did yours open in SPSS, Jennifer?
No, mine opened up in Excel. But that's because I don't have a Mac, I think.
Yeah. When mine opened up in Excel, it came up with all these weird numbers and stuff. It wasn't right.
So,
Okay. I don't know what to do. I don't want to hold you guys back, so.
well, let's just skip the questions that need those, and we'll just come back to them at the end, if that works for everyone.
Works for me.
'Cause we only need it for 3 questions.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Number 5 then? Or is it number 5?
It's question 6.
Or 6? 6, okay. Is it 7?
I got 7 too.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
Did you guys do this in Excel or by hand?
I just did a calculator on my phone and then.
Okay. Just wondering.
What is the median?
I got 4 for that one. What'd you all get?
1 second. I got 4.
Yeah, I got 4 too. All right, question 8.
Yeah, you got flowers. Good job, bud. Hey, come on.
Oh,
We might know how to do that chart for number. What is it, 8?
No, I don't know how to do it.
let's see. There we go.
Let's try to see if I can remember how to do it.
Can you do these all in Excel?
I don't know if you can do the box one. I don't even know what that's really referring to. I can't remember. Okay, let me see.
What's the X with the line above it mean? I don't even know.
The line above it. Oh, cannot remember.
So you do 19 minus something with the X with the line above it. What's the line above it?
Are they asking us to find the standard deviation of 19? Is that what they're asking? I'm confused.
Okay, the number. Yeah, I think it's asking for the standard deviation from 19, which. How do you figure out standard deviation?
I'll be right back. I have to go get my charger cord because my computer's about to die.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Gosh. So are we supposed to add the numbers to find the mean of it and divide it?
So I think it wants to find for that one the standard deviation.
Yeah. So I think what we need to do is find the standard deviation for all those values. And then I think that we're supposed to take the standard deviation, or take the numbers that are shown, minus it by the standard deviation.
Okay.
I think that's what that means, because I think x minus x with a squiggly over it means minus the standard deviation, I think. Oh, I'm not wrong.
So in the reading 19, she put or somebody, whoever wrote the book, or that wiki thing, put a link to what was it? Like a help for Excels.
Mm-hmm.
And one of them was a quantitative descriptive statistics spreadsheet.
Wait, where is this? Say that again.
That's on the wiki for the reading for the week. So where is it in there? So it's under the section 4.1.3, and it's one of the boxes. And basically you put your information in, and it gives you the mean, the standard deviation, the variances, and all that of that information.
So wait, are you in week 2 and lesson 3, and the link's in there?
Yeah. I'm week 2, lesson 3, and it's inside that wiki, it's section 4.1.3 under mode. And then there's like the answer to the question, there's a blue box that says Excel instructions. But I don't know how much that'll help. It should, though.
Well, for the standard deviation, I got 7.07. I don't know if that's right or not, but that's what I got.
Just is ridiculous.
I have no idea.
Will you explain to me how you got that, Jen?
Yeah, so you go into Excel and then just add those numbers that are there, the 5, 19, 1, and 3. And then you do the standard deviation on that. So you type in like the equal sign, and then I think, let me see what it is. Give me a second. It's STDEV dot P, and that's the standard deviation formula thing, I think. And let's see. And then you do a parentheses.
Okay, so you added all the numbers together. Is that what you did? Wait, Reggie.
Let me see if you can do it that way, if it's easier. I mean, you could do it that way, but it's not precise. If you add them all up and divide it by 4. Because when I do the Excel formula, it gives me 7.071068, but if you do it by calculator, it just gives you 7. So I don't know what
So the formula is the STDEV dot S
dot P.
dot P.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put in the numbers, like commas.
No, what you do is you put the numbers in their own cells in order, but away from the box with the standard deviation. And then what you do is you highlight it.
Okay.
Highlight the 5, the 19, the 1, and the 3. You just drag your cursor above them, and it should be blue.
Okay.
And once you have them all highlighted, go ahead and put another parentheses in there just to like close it. And then you hit enter.
You got 7.07?
Yeah, 7.07.
Okay. Ben, did you get anything?
I got 8.16.
In SPS or Excel or?
So,
I wonder what I did.
because I put all my numbers in each individual cell.
Mhm.
I went to the cell below it, and I used equals the STDEV was the one that I used.
Did you do a dot anything?
No, I just did the STDEV.
Okay.
And I also put it into that the template that was in the reading, and it also came up with the 8.1649.
Yeah.
Okay.
So do we know which one is right? Does it say anywhere which formula is the right formula?
No.
No. I used that formula in my other math class that I had before this, and oh, you know what? I think I did. I see the problem. Okay. Sorry.
So is it supposed to be the one that Ben did?
Yeah, 8.1 was 4966.
Okay.
Rounded to, I'm sure.
We round it to the whole number, right?
Let me see what it says.
Yeah, the question doesn't say.
When calculating anything, please remember to round to 3 decimal places, unless otherwise specified. It's at the top.
Okay.
8.165. So then we square that number now?
I think that we have to minus that number.
Yeah, I think you have to take that 8.165, subtract it from 19, which would give you.
Oh, that's the answer to A then.
Yeah, that would be A, because that 8.165 is your standard deviation.
Okay. So you do 19 minus the 8?
Yeah.
So 10.835?
I got 10.835. And then B would be.
And so do we just square this number?
So I think you have to do 1 subtract 8.165 and then square that number, because B's on the next line down.
Oh yeah, okay, so you do 1.
I think that's what you would do for that.
That makes sense, yeah.
Okay, so what was your answer, guys, that you got for 19 minus the deviation?
10.835.
Okay.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Did you guys do B?
Working on it here.
Let's see here. The answer I got was 51.26.
I got
Or-
51.337.
Okay.
I had 51.337.
Did you use the exact numbers, Jen?
Yeah. Okay.
Because I just used, like, I did parenthesis 1 minus, and then I highlighted the cell that had the 8.1649, whatever, and then I squared it.
We try to do it in Excel because I just did that on my calculator.
Oh, I did it in Excel.
No.
Did you get it, Jennifer?
Well, not yet. Give me 1 second here. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's what I got.
Okay.
Okay.
For question 10, is it just the 8.165? Or did we round it? Because didn't we already figure out the standard deviation for those numbers?
Wouldn't it be the 10.835? So I think that we have to like figure it out.
Because it's just asking for those numbers. It's not asking for the deviation from it. Like in column 2, how we had to minus it
Yeah.
or subtract it.
Okay.
I think it's just asking for the standard deviation, so the 8.165, right?
Okay.
Then you round it to the nearest tenth. 8.2, right?
Yeah. Because the 5 would round the 6 and the 6 would round the 1.
It's been so long since I've done that.
I did this last semester. That's what's sad about this. My head's just like not keeping anything apparently. Okay, so do we think we should put 8.2 or 8.16?
8.2.
Okay. And then so for question 9, it would be the 51.337, or would it be 51.34?
51.337.
Okay.
Or was that for the one before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for question 9.
Hey Jennifer, could you email me maybe the wrong patient lawsuit data in the Excel sheet?
Yeah.
I don't know if that would work.
Let me get a fresh copy going. I have numbers all in mine. I think this next question is just going off of the survival times of the data that starts on question 6. But yeah, let me go ahead and, I don't know if that's what you're asking, but I'll go ahead and email it to you.
Okay. Well, it says for the wrong patient. Is that this one still?
For question 10, what is the standard deviation of the survival times? That starts with
Number 11 is what I was.
Oh, number 11, okay. Oh, okay, yeah, let me go ahead and email that to you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and today we're going to be...
Okay, I just sent it to you.
Okay, thank you. Do you want to move on to the box plot problem?
Yeah, first before we go, before we move on, so what was question 10's answer?
It was just the standard deviation of all the numbers, so it was that 8.16 whatever, and it rounds to 8.2.
So that's the same answer for question 8?
Question, one second. Question 8, we said the 10.835 because you had to subtract it from 19.
That's what I was confused about. I didn't know that you guys were talking about question 10.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. I was just kind of somewhere else, I guess. Okay, and then so question 9 was 51.337?
Yes.
Okay. 10.8.2. Okay. Okay. So
Okay, do you want to start at the beginning of it and do those ones since I have it now? Or do you want to...
Whatever works for you. I mean, it would probably be better just to start at the beginning.
Okay, we'll go back to number 3 then.
Okay.
Find the mean amount of hospitals that had to pay in the wrong site. Answer to the nearest. What did you guys get for 3?
I got 80,000. Let me see.
41.243.
Yeah, 80,000 and 41 point. God, I just erased it. Hold on. $80,041.24.
Yes.
But I didn't put the 24 on there. I just put $80,041.
Okay, yeah.
Perfect. That's what I got.
Did you put a dollar sign or no?
No, I just put the number.
Okay.
Did you put a comma in there?
I'm not going to.
I did not know.
Okay, I didn't either.
Okay, find the median amount of hospitals I had to pay.
For that, I got 68,552.
Me too.
1 second. Yep.
Okay.
For the standard deviation.
I got 71,404.
Oh, I got something different. I got 71,317.
Ooh.
Let me try that again, though. I may have been using the wrong standard deviation.
71,403.827 or 828, I guess. Right. 71,404 is what I got.
That's what I got.
71,404. Yes. Okay.
All right. Now we go down to question 11.
Okay.
What is the 5-number summary?
Here's the number and the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data. So that would be the low, right?
What did you say?
So the first number in the 5-number summary would be like the lowest. So wouldn't it be 0?
Yeah, the minimum. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess it's 0. I guess that's a number. I don't know. Okay.
What is the second number? Would that be the 68,552?
It's the first quartile.
Oh, it's the first quartile.
Yeah.
So it would be 29496.
How are you figuring that out?
Yeah.
So if you go to the wiki, there's a template that they attach to it,
Okay.
and it's called the quantitative descriptive statistics LXS. Like, it's an Excel spreadsheet that they put on the wiki, and all I did was copied and pasted the numbers from the SPSS, like the wrong patient, into one column, and it brought up a chart that has the mean, the standard deviation, the variance, the minimum, quartile 1, median, quartile 3, maximum, already all figured out.
Nice.
All I had to do was just put the numbers in, and it's on that homework. It's on the reading assignment for the week.
Okay.
On the homework assignment for the week?
It's on the reading in that wiki that we have to read.
Chapter 3, I think.
Yeah, it's chapter 3's reading. They have it basically almost after every section, it looks like.
Yeah, there's a link in the preparation folder for it.
Yeah, it might be, yeah. And all you do is just, in the left column, you just copy and paste all the numbers and put it in there, and it figures everything out for you.
Nice.
It has a little chart in the middle that tells you everything.
Okay, I'm really sorry, but I still don't know what you're talking about.
So if you go to the reading for the week, this is how I found it. I don't know the other way to find it. I'm sure it's in the individual.
So you go to.
So I'm on the wiki. So for the reading for the week, if you do the online textbook, lesson 3.
Okay.
And then scroll down to, if you're on that wiki, scroll down to section, you can go to section 6.2. It's called the five number summary is where I'm at. You find that?
Yeah.
So there's that blue box that says Excel instructions. You see that?
All I see is the SPSS instructions. And then answer the following questions, show solution.
So above the SPSS, you don't have one that says Excel instructions?
No.
Well, that's lame. 'Cause that's where it was at.
What?
Because I have SPSS and then I have Excel right above that.
Yeah, it does say that in the wiki, doesn't it? I'm trying to find
I'm
it.
on literally 6.2, the 5-number summary, and there's
Yeah.
only SPSS instructions.
There's one there. Let's see. There's also one if you go to 6.1. Do you have one in 6.1 that says Excel instructions?
No.
What about?
It doesn't like Excel. Okay, let me try and reopen it. Okay, let's try this.
There's also one in section 4. I'm trying to find it, but go ahead and restart that.
Lesson 3, online textbook. 6.2.
You go to section
Yeah.
4.1.3 under mode. It also has it there too. On mine, at least.
Okay, my computer just doesn't want to pull up the. Because it's only SPSS on mine.
Interesting.
That's really weird.
That is really weird.
Oh well.
Interesting.
Okay, so you said the information is in box 6.2, or it's under 6.2?
For that Excel spreadsheet, the yes, the template. It's in several sections. It's in 4.1.3 under mode. It's in that one.
Okay.
And then for mine, at least, it says mode, and it gives the list of numbers, and it says answer the questions, and then it has the box titled Excel instructions.
Yes, I see it. Okay.
And then there's that quantitative descriptive statistics thing. If you click on that, it'll pull it up in Excel. Like it'll pull up a template already set up in Excel. And then all you need to do is from SPSS is just copy that 400 and whatever it was, 12 numbers into that column to the left. And then push enter and it calculates everything from that template.
Because when I click on it, it brings me to a BYU Idaho page, and it gives me 3 different things that I can select.
Yeah, click on the Sorry, I forgot I did that. Let me see which one I clicked on. I clicked on that one. If you do the quantitative descriptive statistics is the one I clicked on, the first one. And it should download it.
I found it. I did it in Safari instead of Chrome. So.
Oh, yeah, see, I was in Safari. That might be why.
Descriptive statistics, you said?
Yeah, it's the quantitative descriptive statistics.
Okay.
And then inside that Excel, there's that blue like column to the left. You have it pulled up.
Yeah.
If you take those numbers, those 412 numbers from SPSS, and copy and paste them in there, it'll fill out that number descriptive statistics box. It'll actually fill in everything in that middle section there.
Do I delete the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5?
Yeah, delete those and then just copy and paste those 400 and whatever numbers.
Oh, okay, I see it. Okay.
And then once you got those copied, it'll fill everything in on that page.
Nice. Okay.
Look at that. 3,900
For what?
for the quartile 1.
Mine says 29496.
We're in the
Yeah.
wrong patient, though, right?
We're on the what?
We're not in the wrong site. We're on the wrong patient.
Oh, then I did the wrong one.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I think I copied the wrong numbers on both.
I did too.
Ah. Yep, I copied the wrong numbers on all those. It should have only been the 150 numbers instead of the 412 numbers. And to delete. Goodbye.
Yeah, I'm glad you found that because I didn't even think about the two different lists.
Yeah,
But it says round to the nearest cent. I wonder what's that. If you could change what it's rounded to.
you should be able to. Let's see, in Excel. So if what is it saying? So you got 3,900 for a quartile 1.
Yeah, but I just don't know if that's rounded right.
I got 3,900 too.
Yeah, there's a way to unround it in Excel.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it.
It's up at the top. You click on the square, so you click on that quartile 1 number. You click on the 3,900, and then if you're on the Home tab, right the middle of the page, there's this word that says General. Under that, there's a decimal point thing that takes it out however many decimal points you want it to go.
Okay, so it's right. 3,900.
39.00000.
Oh my gosh.
The fourth number
Is the quartile 3, right?
1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 0. I thought 5 rounded up, but I guess not. Oh, yes, it did round up.
501. 45.50.
Yeah, that's what I got.
What question are you guys on right now?
That was 13.
For the 3900?
3,900 to 12.
Okay, what was, sorry.
You're
What's the, was 13 again? The fourth number, okay. Got it.
This would be the quartile 3 number.
Okay.
Are you putting like 0.00?
No.
I just did 0.5.
Are we supposed to round up though?
Oh, it says to the nearest cent, so
Okay.
So it's still 50. So 0.5, I guess. I don't know if we need the 0 or not.
I don't either.
So you guys got 5145? Or
Yeah.
150?
0.5.
So, okay, I'm not hearing correctly, I don't think. So it's 5,145 and 50 cents.
It's 50,145
Okay.
and 50 cents.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Box plot. What is the third quartile of the red decision time? I do not understand these, but I can try.
Do they mean the red box?
I think it's the farthest line.
Okay.
But I don't really. Well, yeah.
They say, oh, of the red box decision. I was thinking they meant like the red.
Oh no, it's like red box, like the movies.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm having a great day, as you can tell. Oh man. Okay, so it's the third quartile. The red box decision times. 1, 2, 3. So would it be 100? Or let's see. Because the third quartile. Okay, got it.
The third quartile is the top of the green box, so it's 175. Is that what you guys think?
Yeah.
I just looked it up on, I googled it, and it shows you where they are. So the minimum is the, like, 0 practically. First quartile is the 50, median's 100 and something. Third is the 175.
Okay.
Do you think it's 175? Does that what it looks like?
Yeah, that sounds good. That's what I was.
Okay, what's the longest observed time?
725 seconds, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I said too. That's 15. Number 16. What is the value of the mean?
It'd be 105. Oh wait, the mean's the average.
Yeah. So do you take the average of the 5 numbers? I don't know. Okay, I don't know if you can determine it because it only gives you 5.
Yeah. I don't think it can because I think to figure out the mean you have to have the exact values of the data set.
That's what I think. Because we don't have any exact values.
That's, yeah. We'll try it, and if it's not right, then we can come back and fix it. So.
Oh, do we get 2 attempts at this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Everything. All right. An hour later, an hour and a half later.
Missed 2.
Does it say which ones?
Yeah, it's 8 and 9.
What did we do for number 11? I didn't write down the answer.
We did 0.
Okay.
The only ones we missed, though, were 8 and 9.
Well, that's not bad, all things considered. Do you guys want to go ahead and redo it, though?
That one's the one with the table where we had to do A and B.
Yeah, okay. That table.
We got the standard deviation right. We just didn't get.
Yeah,
Do those.
that's bizarre. Okay. It may just be like rounding to.
Well, it says to the third, so.
I don't even know how to change the table to fix it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't either. I'm just kind of done.
Okay.
Everybody's okay with it, whatever it was. An 80.89, then I'm okay with that.
Okay. If anybody figures it out, let me know. I'll work on it too, but I don't know if I will. Okay. Well, good luck on the homework quiz.
Yes.
Yeah. Did you do the one from lesson? What was it? Lesson 2?
I missed one, I think. That was it.
Yeah.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
So next Monday, same time.
Yep, 9 o'clock. All right.
Sounds good.
See you
All
guys.
right.
Yeah.
Yes.